Hello dear students, my name is Devashish Padhi. Today we will discuss default arguments in C++. In the last class, we have already discussed about the functions, different parts of a function, that is function name, function definition, function declaration, function call, function returning type. These things we have already discussed in the last class. And today we will discuss one new topic of your C++, that is default argument. Argument means the values. In the last class, whatever we have already discussed in function that are similar to your C programming. But this concept is new in your C++. So let us start. What is default argument present in your C++ programming? Okay. So whenever I have discussed with you that always the number and type of values must be same in function call and function definition. Okay. Always the number and type of argument must be same in function call and function definition. Let us consider in function call two arguments are there. So in function definition also two arguments must be present. Let us consider in function call only one argument is present. So there must be one argument present in function definition. Otherwise type mismatch is there and compiler will give an error message to you. But C++ provides one facility here that is known as default argument. That is known as default argument. So what is a default argument? Default arguments are used when you provide no arguments or only few arguments while calling a function. Okay, default arguments are used when you provide no argument or only a few arguments while calling a function. What I have already told you, while calling a function, number of arguments, and while defining the function, number of arguments must be same in C programming. But C++ provides this facility that if you want to pass some few arguments or no argument while calling the function, that is also correct. So how this is possible we will discuss. But this facility is there in C++ but not present in your C programming. Okay, and the default arguments are used during the compilation of program. A default argument is a value provided in a function declaration. Always remember the default values are always provided in function declaration part. That is automatically assigned by the compiler if the caller of the function does not provide a value for the argument with a default value. Okay. So first point is the default arguments are always passed in the function declaration at the top of the program. And when function call have some less number of argument or few number of argument or no argument, then compiler will take the values from the declaration part. Then compiler will take the values from the declaration part. So in C++ programming, we can provide default values for function parameters. If a function with default argument is called without passing argument, then the default parameters are used. Okay, while calling the function, if I am if while calling a function, if I do not pass any argument to the called function, then default parameters are used. However, if arguments are passed while calling the function, the default arguments are ignored. If I am passing some values while calling the functions, then default arguments are ignored. Okay. See, let us consider the name of the function is temp. Okay, the name of the function is temp. What is in C programming? In C programming, the number of arguments present in calling function and present in definition part must be same. But what happens here? No values are passed while calling the function, but two arguments are there in the definition part. So where these values are assigned? Now these values are assigned from the default argument. So this is the declaration part of the function. Okay, this is the declaration part of the function. So from declaration it takes the value. Here no value is there. So if it is a C programming, then compiler will give an error message. Since it is a C++ programming, compiler facilitates compiler gives one facility to you. The default value is assigned here. That is 10 is assigned to I and 8.8 is assigned to F. Here temp is called with one argument, but in definition two argument is there. So automatically 6 is assigned to I. But what is the value of a float? The value of a float F is default value. What is the default value? It is passed in the declaration. That is 8.8. It is 8.8. Here function is called with all argument. So 6 is assigned to I, minus 2 point assigned to F, and these default values are ignored because while calling the function I am passing two value, and in the definition part also there is two value. So mismatch, so matching is there. So this default value is totally ignored. Here function is called with one value, but this is a float value. I am not giving value to int, but directly give the value to float. So what compiler will do? 3.4 is assigned to int. This is the integer value, so 0.4 is ignored. 3 is assigned to I, and here no value is there, so this is error. Okay, so this is the description. When temp is called, both the default parameters are used by the function in this case. Okay, no value is there, so both the default values are used. When temp 6 is called, the first argument becomes 6, while the default value is used for the second parameter. Here 6 is assigned to I, and the default value 8.8 is assigned to F. When 6, minus 2.3 is called, both the default parameters are overridden, resulting I is equal to 6 and F is equal to minus 2.3. In this case, both the values are there, so this is totally ignored. When temp 3.4 is passed in the last case, the function behaves in an undesired way. Why? Because the second argument cannot be passed without passing the first argument. Here I am passing the second argument without passing the first argument. So this is totally wrong. Therefore 3.4 is passed as the first argument. Since the first argument has been defined as int, the value that is actually passed is 3. Okay. Here first argument is not passed, second argument is passed. So this second argument is assigned to it. Since this is an integer value, 0.4 is totally ignored and 3 is assigned to I. Okay, so this is a small example of your default argument. See, these things are my calling function. In the first call to sum, I am passing one argument. In the second call to sum, I am passing two argument. In the third call to sum, I am passing three argument. Okay. In the first call, I am passing one argument as 1. In the second call, I am passing two argument 1, 2. In the third call, I am passing three argument 1, 2, 3. Okay. So see the definition part. This is the definition part. Actually, how many arguments are there? Three arguments are there. A, B, C. So come to the first call. Whenever this sum 1 is called, compiler directly jump to the definition part. 1 is assigned to A, but B and C value is not there. So what is the value of B? Default value 10. What is the value of C? Default value 20. So A plus B plus C means A value is 1 plus 10, 11 plus 20, 31 is the output. Again second sum is called, so compiler automatically jump to the definition part. 1 is assigned to A, 2 is assigned to B. Okay, C value is not there, so by default 20 is assigned to C. So 1 plus 2, 3 plus 20, 23. Whenever I am calling third function sum 1, 2, 3, compiler directly jump to the definition part. 1 is assigned to A, 2 is assigned to B, 3 is assigned to C. So 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 6. So 6 value is there. Okay. So in the first case, default value of B and C is assigned. In the second case, default value of C is assigned. In the third case, all the default values are ignored because here three values are passed. Then there is one rule of default argument. If you assign default value to an argument, the subsequent argument must have default values assigned to them, else you will get compilation error. What is the meaning of this rule? Now always default values are given from right to left. Always remember, default values are given from right to left. See, first C is given 30, then B is 20, A is 10. This is valid. Here C is 30, B is 20, A is not there, but I am giving the default value from right to left. This is correct. Here C is 30, B is not default value, A value is not there, but I am giving the default value from right to left. So these three are valid. What is invalid? See here, I have already told you default values are always given from right to left. C is equal to 30, that is correct, but B value is, I am not giving the V value but give the A value as 10. This is invalid. First I will take the V value, then A value, but V value is not there, so this is error. Here also I am not giving C as a default value but B as a default value 20. This is also error because default values are given from right to left. Here also this is error because no default value for C. Okay, so these three are the invalid declaration of default values. Okay, so always remember default values are always given from right to left. Okay, so this is all about your default argument present in your C++. Thank you.